I'm always, taking a ton of pictures of my kids, and they're at just such precious stages of their lives right now that I just want to, capture every moment. I just tried to find good places in my home to display pictures, and decided that I wanted to create a gallery wall in our main living area. I wanted the final product to be absolutely perfect, and that's really what we achieved. The MarkIT product, it's absolutely wonderful. I can go in and mark off exactly where I want all of my frames and artwork to be. So we recently hung some frames on a wall that we've wallpapered, and it was just amazing to be able to use this product and not worry about placing holes and in areas where they shouldn't be. I really do love this product. It's very easy to use. I just hold it up to the wall and hang the frame. It's really been fantastic to be able to tackle some of these projects that would otherwise take a very long time. With kids, you don't have a ton of time to dedicate to working on beautifying your home. I'm Alexandra, and I love using MarkIT by BLACK+DECKER.